Hello students, this is your chemistry class and today we'll study about 4 R's principle. So what it mean by 4 R's? 4 R's means reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. So 4 R principle is basically minimizing the use of resources and save it for the future generation. At the same time, we study 4 R's principle in aspects of plastics. As we all know, in India in many of the states, there is ban on plastics. So why it is banned? Because plastic creates a lots of pollution in our environment. If we dump the plastic on the land or in soil, or if we throw it in water, in the both way it creates pollution that is hazardous for human being, plants, animal, all the living beings. If we dump the plastic bags on land, so it can stop the growth of plant or affect or make the groundwater polluted. And if we'll throw the plastic bag in the water, it is poisonous for us, means it is unfit for us. So we need to stop throwing the plastic bags on land or either in water and throw it in the dustbin. So from there it can go through the process of 4 R's. So in 4 R's principle, first is reduce, means reducing the use of plastic or the resources. Either it is natural resources or it is man-made resources. So how can we reduce the use of resources or the use of plastics? So for reducing the use of plastic, in place of using plastic bags, we can use either jute bag or paper bags, because these bags, means these jute bags, can be used again and again, and at the same time it will reduce the use of plastic bags. But for some purpose, if we are using plastic bags, then point number second, the same plastic bags can be used for various purpose. Means suppose we are using polythene bags, so it can be used for making some decorative pieces. So as I have mentioned, same plastic bags or containers can be used for various purposes. Means the container then that we are getting from market as a sweet box, we can take example of sweet box. We can use the same container of sweet box as storage container in the refrigerator. Means we can store other things in the same storage box or plastic container. So from here we can reduce the use of plastic bags or plastic. So by these way we can reduce the use of plastic and we can save these resources for the next generation or other resources also except for plastic. If we'll reduce the use of the resources, it will be stored for next generation. So now the next is, after reducing, the next process of 4 R principle is recycling. So in the process of recycling, some articles or resources that cannot be reused should be sent for recycling. Means like wrappers of chocolates. It can't be reused. So these kind of articles sent for the recycling process. There are three continuous process will going on. This first is the collection of plastics, second is sorting, and third is processing. Means during the process of recycle, three things goes on. First is collection of all the articles that can't be reused. Then sorting of these articles as biodegradable or non-biodegradable. After that, processing goes on. So here, what is the meaning of recycle? Means breaking down of articles as raw materials to form such new articles. Means after recycling the material or the articles, we can either reshape the article or either we can use it for another purpose. This is the international symbol of recycling. We have already discussed about reduce, means reducing the use of natural resources, reusing the natural resources, recycling of natural resources. So after these three, if the resources is left, then that resource is in the process of recovering. Means we recover those resources. So through the process of recovering, we can convert the remaining plastic material that is already has been processed in reducing, reusing and recycling. After recovering through some chemical process, we can use those materials either as fuel or either as compost or manure. We can use as fuel for generating electricity, or we can convert those material either in compost or manure through some chemical process. So here one advice is for you. If you want to save the nature, you also be a part for reducing the use of plastic, because it is unfit especially for human being. The best option for plastics, stop the pollution that is created by plastic, is reduce the use of plastic, because the process of recycling and recovering is very costly, and then after burning it creates or it releases a high amount of toxic gases that also affect us. So better we can reduce the use of plastic in place of recycling or recovering it. Thank you, students.